This is the heatsink sizing calculator for thermal resistance, which determines the required thermal resistance for your heatsink design. Let's walk through each input field. First, enter your power dissipation in watts. This is the heat your component generates. Next is max junction temperature in degrees Celsius, the maximum safe operating temperature for your semiconductor. Then input the ambient temperature in degrees Celsius, the surrounding air temperature. For theta Jc in degrees Celsius per watt, enter the junction to case thermal resistance from your component's datasheet. Finally, theta Cs in degrees Celsius per watt represents the thermal interface resistance. We'll use the default value of 0.1. Click Calculate Heat Sink Requirements to get your results. The calculator determines the maximum allowable thermal resistance for your heatsink, showing you the temperature difference between junction and ambient, and the required heatsink thermal resistance value. This tells you exactly what performance specifications your heatsink must meet to keep your component within safe operating temperatures. The results help you select an appropriate heatsink from manufacturer catalogs or design a custom solution. Find the link in the description below.